What's up, guys? We are back after a long break, and today we are going to know about the muscles of the leg. The muscles of the leg are divided into four compartments. We have anterior compartment, lateral compartment, superficial posterior compartment, and deep posterior compartment. In this video, we are going to discuss the anterior compartment of leg. So, there are a total of four muscles in the anterior compartment of the leg, and we will discuss them one by one. They are called the dorsiflexors of the ankle joint, elevating the forefoot, and depressing the heel. First of all comes the tibialis anterior muscle. It originates from the lateral condyle and superior half of the lateral surface of tibia and interosseous membrane. It goes down to insert at medial and inferior surfaces of medial cuneiform and base of first metatarsal. It acts to dorsiflex ankle joint and inverts subtalar joint. Then comes the second muscle, which is extensor digitorum longus. It originates from lateral condyle of tibia and superior 3/4 of medial surface of fibula and interosseous membrane. It is inserted at middle and distal phalanges of lateral 4 digits. It extends lateral 4 digits and dorsiflexes ankle joint. Then comes the third muscle, which is extensor hallucis longus. It originates from the middle part of anterior surface of fibula and interosseous membrane. It goes down to insert at dorsal aspect of base of distal phalanx of great toe. This muscle extends great toe and dorsiflexes ankle joint. The fourth and the last muscle is fibularis tertius. It originates from the inferior third of anterior surface of fibula and interosseous membrane. This muscle inserts at the dorsum of base of fifth metatarsal. This muscle acts to dorsiflex ankle joint and aids in eversion of subtalar joint. So, all these four muscles are supplied by a single nerve, which is deep fibular nerve. And this nerve is also called deep peroneal nerve. In our next video, we are going to cover the lateral compartment of leg. Subscribe to keep yourself updated and continue your learning journey. See you next.